अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। जामिया तिर्मिज़ी हदीस नंबर 1956। There are moments in life that feel small, so small we barely notice them. A glance, a word, a gesture, and sometimes just a smile. We often think charity has to be big, money given, food shared, life changed in invisible ways. But the Prophet ﷺ shifted that understanding in the most beautiful way. He said, "Smile at your brother is charity." A smile is charity. Pause there for a second. Something you do every day, something that costs nothing, something that takes a moment, can carry the reward of charity. That changes everything. When we hear the word charity, our minds usually go to giving wealth. And yes, that is one of the highest forms. But Islam expands the meaning. Charity is not limited to what is in your hands, it includes what is in your heart, your tone, your intention, your presence. A smile is not just a facial expression, it is a message. I see you, I respect you, you matter. And in a world where people often feel invisible, that message becomes priceless. Look around. People are tired, not always physically, but emotionally. There are people walking around with silent distress, carrying worries they cannot explain, smiling on the outside, struggling on the inside. And sometimes all it takes in one small moment to shift their day. A genuine smile, not forced, not fake, real, warm, human. You may forget it within seconds, but they may carry it for hours, maybe even longer. The Prophet ﷺ was known for his smile, not a loud laugh, not constant seriousness, but a calm, gentle smile that made people feel at ease. His companion often described how his face would lit up. The smile built connection. It removed fear. It created comfort. Imagine meeting someone who makes you feel safe without saying a word. That was the effect of his presence. And that is the part of what we are invited to follow. Think about this. You walk to a room, no one smiles. Faces are serious, close, distant. How do you feel? Now imagine you are walking into another room. Someone looks at you and smiles, not dramatically, just a small, genuine smile. What changes? Your shoulder relax, your guard drops, you feel welcomed. That is the power of a smile. It changes environment. Every Even beyond faith, there is something deeply human about smiling. It creates connection instantly. It signals safety. It tells the other person, you are not alone here. And Islam, long before modern psychology, guided us toward this simple but powerful act. Because Islam is not just about rituals, it is about relationship, it is about hearts. Let's be honest, there are days when smiling feels difficult, when you are stressed, when you are hurt, when life feels heavy. In those moments, even a small smile can feel like a effort. And that is where the beauty lies. Because when something is done with effort for the sake of Allah, its value increases. Your smile in ease is beautiful, but your smile in hardship is powerful. Think about charity again. When you give money, you know you have given something. But when you smile, you may not even realize the impact. It is silent charity, not no announcement, no recognition, no expectation, just a small act between you and Allah. And perhaps that is why it is also special because it's pure. Imagine a shopkeeper who greets customer with a smile, a teacher who welcomes students warmly, a doctor who reassures patient with kindness, a stranger who smiles while passing by. These are moments seem ordinary, but they build a softer world, a more human world, a more merciful world. Now, think about the absence of a smile, cold expression, harsh faces, Indifferences, it creates distance. It builds wall. Sometimes people don't need words, they just need warmth. And a smile is often the first step. Picture a child walking into a new school, nervous, unsure, looking around. Everyone feels unfamiliar. Then one student looks at them and smiles. That one moment can ease fear. It can create belonging. It can change how the child remember the first day. That is the impact of something so small. Ask yourself honestly, how often do I smile at others, at my family, at people who serve me, at a stranger, or do I walk through a life with a closed expression, busy, distracted, distant? This hadith invites you to be intentional, to turn something natural into something meaningful. When you smile for the sake of Allah, it becomes worship. That means even your face can earn reward, even your presence can carry barakat. Islam doesn't separate the spiritual from the day, from the everyday, it brings them together. So your daily interaction becomes opportunities for reward, for connection, for goodness. Start small. Make it a habit. When you greet someone, smile. When you speak, soften your expression. When you feel distance, reconnect with warmth. You don't need to overload it. Just be genuine, because people can feel authentically, and that is what touches heart. In the end, life is made up of moments, and many of those moments are shaped by how we make others feel. A smile may seem small, but in the sight of Allah, it is charity, and the hearts of people, it can be light. So today, carry this simple sunnat with you wherever you go, whoever you meet. Let your presence bring ease. Let your face reflect kindness. Let your smile become charity, because sometimes the smallest act hold the greatest reward. If this reminder reached your heart, hold on to it and pass it forward one smile at a time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi